Tuesday morning. Alright. Pierre on a week and couple days. She have my house key. I can't go into the house. She not answer my call. She just ignore me. Where you there? Montego Bay. Where you there? Ochireas. Where you there, Chin? Portland. Why you, Chin? You not have to know that. You watch me. I mean, no one man watch me. You understand? Cause me find somebody who can comfort me and Ray. Yeah, she tired of sleep on bed. She want go to Barbican in a studio go sleep on couch. She want sleep in a car with man. That's a Chin prerogative. That is not mine. Chin start the two tune and feel she reach. She can't spar with me no more. Chin carry all man pan tour with me. When me drop asleep in a hotel room, God knowing me not telling lie no. Chin come off of the bed and go sleep with him. Chin have girl in my house up on my yard. And yesterday me find that the girl was a bush. The girl tell me straight we have voice no can't make no play, make no ear. She and Chin did there. All those things Chin do me I tell you man, better Chin go be a farmer, go plant copies and them things. Come out of music, live my life. Abuse her? No man, none of that no. Chin brown you know. If a mosquito land pan Chin, you must see the print. Me and Chin cusses. And we have a little hug up wrestling, but and a real fight. Every time me and Chin in a little quarrel, Chin just bite me up. I have a mark on my body, can show you. I'm not tell about no normal bite. Bite her, when she bite me, then bleed. Me not no teeth to bite Chin. So when Chin not tell me bite her, she'll lie, one teeth can bite. A teeth and a gum cannot bite. Any crack shop where me I go, a Chin I sell the crack. I ain't going to no crack shop. And straight up, Chin say me I go a crack shop. Wish. Nobody don't see me a no crack shop. But why Chin don't tell her say she go into the shop? Why she don't tell her say she a sell her? Why she don't tell her that? Chin is up. Me don't want to talk on the radio. Cause me not disrespect Chin. Chin stop there with woman. Chin is a bisex. Me know that from day one, Chin. But that's a part of your prerogative. And me can't live with it. And still me couldn't live without it. Because life go bad with me. Me don't have a girl. Me have a girl. A pretty face. Nice nails. Face look like an angel. But behind the angel, Chin was a earth devil. Me and Chin have no relationship. Me don't want Chin book. Not even a party for me. Not even a free show. When Chin say me I do free show, Chin want mash up my career, man. And everything, and the money do this, my girl. Me do whole heap of show free. Me go get a splash free. Me go Galley Bunks free. Me go plenty show free. Then why if me go small island and so on like a karaoke I go on. I me see me song right out. I me go sing. I know nothing. You can't come in my life come want me get mean like you, man. Me know you know no mean thing like Chin. Chin give her money, you know. But here she give her money, you know. She go ready. Dirty Monday. Cranny Tuesday. Smell bad Wednesday. All those things. $500 US, money pull up. $200 US, money pull up. Wish those money coming from Bop. I mean, I watch that. You see me?
Right.
China say me not give her nothing and Ray. Big lie that in my girl. Where they England I send crazy pound. Where they Canada me send money. The promoters them can't tell you. Cause between me and you, me no know how to send money to Western Union.
Right.
So I got to beg people to send it.
Do it.
So all those people wouldn't tell no lie. I'm smart and anybody me beg do it. Me beg all the disc jockey them on the radio foreign do it. Those people. I beg some very various people to send those money. People who highlight. That means those people not telling lie. People been calling all over say, but Bop, you send all your money go get Chin. People all want me say, you can't send so much money go get Chin, you know. The end of the day, me say, me have to send it to my youth. Cause me no want she go and go beg another man money and another man go beg her about things. So better me just send the money. Me buy a printing machine. Believe you me not have no use the computer and a printing machine. Chin computer and the house, me don't know if you go up on it go do nothing. Me don't have no Facebook on my phone. Me can't go on Facebook. Me can't go. Not even Wi-Fi my phone can't do. Me not deal with anything in my house. But my phone ring, me can't answer it. You know much girl I text off my phone and Chin find the text message them in my phone. Guess why? Me don't know if you go in a phone go delete nothing. Believe me now my girl. Chin sell back the computer. Chin sell back the printing machine where you can print things too. Because I know my own them. I fear. Chin look on with you and say me broke. Like I sell one of the TV in the house. She bring police come take it out yesterday. One of the TV. Me not stop her. The big king size bed in the house. Chin say, but it bite in my name and I may have the receipt and I want it. A yellow tape and I want to join in my house. Tell her come in my house for my bed now. If you met a little nerd boy they go sleep on. From my band, I never play face to waste now. That's why Chin now wants to stay in my place. She need to go where she love to play face to waist. My face don't go to waist. My US visa did not cancel. And I'm talking on the radio right now, Chin. Please bring my passport and give me, or you're gonna in big problem. Around 1 month, I'm gonna find my passport. She tell me lies, say Teddy have it. Yesterday, I go to Teddy now have my passport. I say, me now flip up and flap up for my things. Me not love talk, you know. She must want to give an arm on it, but then can't fly upon it because they not ugly like me, Chin. Can't pass the airport. Me have bookings, you know. Chin now do no bookings for me, no. Me do me thing undercover, you know. Chin wicked and a scammer, you know. Enough thing, Chin do me hold it down, my girl. You know, did see them on Facebook too. I cover up for Chin. And the end of the day, how long we still not bust them secret there. But I cover up for Chin. Crazy bookings. Crazy people I call. Even the woman when she say cancel my visa. She no call me a couple months well long and me say she call me yesterday like crazy. But so why you call me? Because we get rid of the maca tree. And for reach to you we can't pass through too much maca. So right now the maca tree chopped down we can't get to you.